Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about formation flying that we see here, and we're going to be talking about our formation flying event coming up in October, the 8th to 9th. That's a Thursday and Friday. So come and see some formation flying hosted here by Greg Wilson, shown at the blackboard. And Walkman, Martin Walker, will be coming up from Atlanta. And here they are back in 1993 showing their expertise at formation flying. So we hope you found those useful and informative. Look forward to you in October. Thanks for watching and have a good day flying your Grumman.
Melody time. I'm just gonna. Okay, chalk management. That's number one. Kill it.
Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.